Here's what you need to know about what is SSL versus TLS. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, and TLS, Transport Layer Security, are cryptographic protocols that secure data transmitted over networks. TLS is the modern secure successor to SSL. Both establish encrypted connections between clients and servers, most commonly used to secure HTTPS web traffic, VPNs, and email. Key concept: SSL is deprecated. SSL versions 1.0 through 3.0 are all deprecated and considered insecure. SSL 3.0 was broken by the POODLE attack in 2014. No modern system should use SSL. When people say SSL today, they almost always mean TLS. Key concept: TLS Handshake Process. TLS establishes a session through a handshake. The client sends supported cipher suites, the server responds with its certificate, keys are exchanged, and both sides confirm the session is ready. All subsequent data is encrypted. Key concept: TLS Versions. TLS 1.2 is still widely used. TLS 1.3 is the current recommended version. It removes weak algorithms, reduces handshake steps, and improves performance. TLS 1.0 and 1.1 are deprecated. Key concept: common TLS use cases. TLS secures HTTPS, port 443, SMTP over TLS, port 587, IMAPs, port 993, and SSL TLS VPNs. The padlock icon in a browser confirms a TLS connection is active and the server certificate is valid. Let's look at the full breakdown. SSL 1, 0 halves, 0 thirds, 0, deprecated, never use. Multiple known vulnerabilities. POODLE broke SSL 3.0 2014. TLS 1, 0 over 1, 1, deprecated as of 2020. Weak cipher suites allowed, should be disabled on all servers. TLS 1.2, still widely supported, strong if configured correctly. Disable weak ciphers, RC43DES. TLS 1.3, current recommended standard, faster handshake, 1 RTT. Removed all legacy weak algorithms. Here's a real-world example. When you visit your bank's website, your browser and the bank's web server perform a TLS 1.3 handshake in milliseconds. Your browser verifies the server's certificate is valid and issued by a trusted CA. An encrypted session is established. All account data, balances, transactions, passwords, travels encrypted. An attacker on the same Wi-Fi network sees only encrypted ciphertext. Quick recap before you go. 1. SSL is deprecated and insecure. TLS is the modern replacement. 2. TLS Handshake. Negotiate ciphers. Exchange certificate. Establish encrypted session. 3. TLS 1.3 is current best practice. TLS 1.0 and 1.1 are deprecated. 4. Common uses: HTTPS 443, SMTP TLS 587, IMAPs 993, SSL TLS VPNs. 5. Browser padlock =sign valid TLS certificate from a trusted certificate authority. That's what is SSL versus TLS covered. Exam tip: the exam says SSL but means TLS. This is common exam language. Know that TLS 1.3 is the current standard. TLS 1.0 and 1.1 are deprecated. SSL 3.0 was broken by POODLE. If asked what secures HTTPS, the answer is TLS, not SSL. Next up, what is SSH? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.